I recently was asked about how am I automating my content engine internally with my AI agents. I showcased a little screenshot and how I'm doing it with Linear. It's my project management tool. Think of it as Monday or Jira. It's just a newer one that I feel is better or more appropriate for my use case. So how am I actually doing this? I am using tagging features. From coming from a data analysis background, I'm very used to the idea of tagging or labeling things. That's what I'm actually utilizing here to route the work to the right agent or the right task. How am I doing this? Let me show you. On the left here, you can see that I have an idea that was proposed to me by one of my agents called Carla. Carla will pitch an idea to me based off of a random seed generation and topics that are trending on Twitter, on the news, etc. And as well based off of certain niches that I'm interested in. This is what's pitched to me right here, what you're seeing with content pillars, urgency, and the approval instructions. If I don't follow up on this work, I will receive a message from my agent saying, hey, this issue's been waiting for, and this is the calculated time when it sends it. Is this still on the radar? Are we actually still working on this? Do you want to reject it or not? If I do want to approve it, I can, but I can also include small modifications in this case, which is what I did. I approved the work, which was indicated for Lucy, Tommy, and Sandy. Lucy is my LinkedIn writer, Tommy is my Twitter writer, and Sandy is my UGC writer. So I approved it and I said, let's skip Twitter in this case. My agent, which runs on a schedule, went through, understood it, and created new tickets as if these were employees that I can track and see the work that's being done. What does that look like? This is what that looks like. Same idea, it's in the same project management tool, but there's a lot more details. We have the context, we have the data hooks, and we have our sources. The agent will do its own research, will back it up, and then will propose a draft ready for me to post, where I can easily just copy the text and set it up in Twitter, and I can just review it if I want to, or send it off. But after quite a few repetitions, you kind of iron out any of the bugs or any of the not typos, but ways of speaking, and then within about a week, you've got something that's very reliable. How does this agent know where to go? It's using labels. In this case, I have a prefix called action, which is what the agent should do. I have an agent prefix, which is how I route to the right agent. And I have a platform, in this case for anything tied to the marketing team, on which platform this is going to. This is useful when I want to change the writing style or the amount of characters you're allowed to put in a post, depending on the platform. How am I actually doing this? This is one of the big workflows that backs this system. What I'm doing is I am loading all of the issues that is in my marketing team and assigned to my bot account called Gumloop at ZaxAI. I then branch it out based off of certain parameters or filters. These are custom nodes. These nodes will filter the work based off of the states or the labels that you see here on the left. So in this case, user review draft is an excluded label because I don't want to look at stuff that the agent doesn't have to work on. That's something that I, the user, have to work on. So I'm excluding those tickets. But what I do want to include might be, in this case, we could have revise content, which is one of the actions for the agents. So this will route in this direction if I have rejected this issue right here. If I've rejected this and I've said I want to change some of the sources or I want to change the wording, the agent will understand that. It'll route in this direction and that's what the agent will do. But when it starts, it all goes to the draft content, which is one of the actions that I have here in Linear. This is a very quick explanation on how I'm doing this. Once this is all drafted and it's all routed to the right way, I then just hand it off to the right agent. If we look at this subflow, this is what we got. We're coming in with the agent and the prompt itself of what to do. Depending on the label itself that was extracted, it is then routed to the correct agent to do its work. Each agent has instructions on how to update the linear issues. This is just a framework or a way to build the system. You're not stuck to only doing this in linear. All you have to do is think of how you can route things and tag things. And then you just use a tool like Gumloop, which is what I'm using to power the whole thing, to automate it. And from there, new ideas will pop into your head. If you found this interesting or you have more questions, feel free to ask. I might have gone a little bit too much in details or not, but I'd love to talk with more people that are interested about this kind of stuff when it comes to AI, automation, and what can you automate. So thanks for watching and have a great one.